Alright, so here we're going to add mixed numbers. I notice that I have a 2 and an 8 for a denominator, so they are not common. They're not common. That means that the pieces are different sizes of these fractions, and I have to get the same size pieces. So the first thing I need to do is look at 2 and 8 and find a common denominator. To do that, I'm going to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 8, so I'm going to count by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8. I notice 2 goes into 8, so this can become something out of 8. So 2 and how many 8's? Right? I would take this 1/2 and say 2 times 4 makes 8, so 1 times 4 makes 4. 4 is half of 8, so that makes sense. Plus 7 and 1/8. The first thing I'm going to do is add up the fractions. 4/8 and 1/8 makes 5/8, and then I'm going to add the whole numbers. 2 and 7 makes 9. 2 and 4/8 plus 7 and 1/8 is 9 and 5/8. Let's try another one. Let's say maybe 6 and 3/4 plus 2 and 2/3. Again, I need to find a common denominator, lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. I know 4 can go into 12, so I know it's going to be this one, just to double check. 4, 8, 12, right? My lowest common denominator is going to be my lowest common multiple. So the first step I need to do is to make sure that I have my fractions changed. Okay, so 3/4 is equal to how many 12ths? And 2/3 is equal to how many 12ths? 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4 makes 8. That would be times 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 makes 9. Okay, so sometimes people like to set them up like this. So I'll set it up. Sorry for turning that. I'll set it up a different way. So I'll say 6, and instead of 3/4, I need 9/12. Plus 2, and instead of 2/3, I'm going to use 8/12. And that kind of lines up your parts there. So 9 and 8 makes 17, and it's 12, so that's the size. 2 and 6 makes 8. And you'll notice this part right here, 17 out of 12, that is an improper fraction, so I need to change that. 17/12. 12 goes into 17 one time with 5 left out of 12. 17 divided by 12 would be 1 with 5 left over. So what do I need to do? I need to add the whole number to it also. So that's going to give me, overall, is going to be 9. 8 plus 1 makes 9, and 5/12.